Hello guys, welcome back to our Bosa channel. I'm Rachel.
I'm Fiona.
Have you ever wondered why your sublimation phone case turn out white spots?
Trust me, you are not alone. Today, we are going to cover the most common sublimation mistakes and exactly how to solve them for flawless cases every time.
Mistake 1. Image show white spots. Why does this happen? This is usually caused by dust or tiny fiber trapped between the phone case and transfer film, which leave unwanted spots on your print. The fix is simple. Before pressing, clean both your phone case and sublimation film to remove the dust and debris. These small habits make a huge difference.
Mistake 2. Faded colors or incomplete transfer. Have you ever expected vibrant colors but ended up with something dull and washed out? In most cases, the temperature is not high enough and the heat isn't distributed evenly across the press. For sublimation process about the phone cases, we usually suggest you to preheat the case about 130 degrees and 15 seconds. For the process, we recommended you to use the temperature about 130 degrees for 6 minutes. Also, make sure your heating plate is working evenly. Older equipment may need maintenance or replacement.
Mistake 3. White streaks in 3D case transfer. One common reason is that the ink in sublimation film hasn't dried completely before transfer. Another possibility is that the film gets scratched during transfer. Here's what professionals do. First, dry the printed sublimation film before transferring, especially for dark or full color designs. Second, store open film in a silk bag to keep moisture out. Last, adjust the pattern position in the design program.
So, let's do a quick recap. Ghosting, fix the film. Faded color, check your temperature and time. White line, dry your film and keep it moisture-free.
In Bosa, we don't just manufacture sublimation phone case, we also provide sublimation film, vacuum machine, heat transfer solution, and complete one-stop support to help your business succeed.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your biggest sublimation challenge in the comment below, and we might answer it in our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.